This is the afternoon edition of the Weather Xtreme video. This is for Wednesday, the 26th of September. Another beautiful day today. Weekend forecast is still a tricky one. Let's get in there and check the Skycam shots this afternoon. Beautiful view coming from Cheaha State Park. Mostly sunny there, just a few fair weather cumulus clouds. That's looking south from the summit of Alabama's highest mountain. Pretty much the same sky down in Chilton County. That's our Skycam in downtown Clanton and down south. Look at those folks on the Gulf Coast having a little fun. Bright sunny day down at Gulf Shores. That, of course, the view coming from the Phoenix All Suites. Got a nice trough over the Great Lakes. Much cooler up there. We have a surface boundary below that cooler air. And down here we have ridging that's forming aloft. Temperatures this afternoon are mostly in the low 80s. And again, below model guidance. You know, the models, if you'd believe those things, we'd be up around 87 today. Well, Birmingham's at 81. And I think they're still too warm tomorrow and Friday. Mid-80s are likely both days and nothing beyond that. Around the nation, look at the cool air up north. Places like Duluth, Minnesota, Marquette, Michigan, barely out of the 40s at 2 o'clock. But down here, again, mostly low 80s. Active weather on that front. That's a severe storm in northern Arkansas. That is between Little Rock and Harrison. Big storms up in parts of southern Missouri, and in that region, the chance of strong to severe storms will continue through tonight. A couple of slight risks. The big zone there is from near Amarillo and Lubbock, Texas, to near Washington, D.C. And some of the cities involved in that would be Oklahoma City, Louisville, Washington, and Baltimore. And tomorrow, low end 5% probabilities a little north of Alabama, basically along and north of Interstate 40 as that front just slowly sags to the south. This is the rain for the next 5 days. Rain valid through Monday morning of next week at 7 a.m. Bigger numbers over Texas where they could use that rain. And around here, the amounts suggested are in the quarter inch to 1/2 inch range, with the heavier totals down over South Alabama. And again, the weekend remains somewhat of a mystery, as you'll see. We'll check the tropics. Nadine, still hanging around. Little feature out there northeast of the Leeward Islands. If anything forms there, it would recurve. There's the track on Nadine, just hanging around like a rusty fish hook. We'll check the GFS. This is the 12Z run, valid at 1 o'clock tomorrow afternoon. 588 ridge line moving up to almost Birmingham. And certainly with that type of ridge, you'd think it would be warm. And I think we'll be in the mid-80s. I don't think we do upper 80s. Sky partly to mostly sunny. Friday, that front gets a little closer. And, you know, I think we do need to mention just the chance of a shower late Friday afternoon or Friday night with that thing nearby. Just a chance. I'm not saying it's going to be a rainy night for football games, but just the chance of a shower Friday afternoon, Friday night. Keep that in mind. The better chance north of Birmingham more than likely. And then Saturday, coming off the GFS, got this deep upper low now that's near the UP of Michigan. And down below that, the surface boundary drifts in here basically with little fanfare. This is suggesting just maybe a few showers and nothing widespread. And then Sunday, maybe a lingering shower during the morning, but again, nothing heavy or widespread, and drier air begins to creep in here Sunday evening, and by Monday of next week, we go dry, sunny, pleasant, highs in the upper 70s, lower humidity. But wait, the European says, European, this is valid Saturday at 1 o'clock in the afternoon, and really that looks relatively dry. That's suggesting precipitation would be less than 0.05 of an inch if we have any showers at all. Sunday, still relatively dry. A big surface low develops near Galveston, Texas. Big rains over Louisiana and South Mississippi. Maybe a shower here Sunday afternoon or Sunday night, especially from Birmingham south. And then Monday at 1 o'clock in the afternoon, that surface low is southwest of Mobile Bay. A soaking rain for the southern two-thirds of Alabama. So you got the GFS showing nothing. Beautiful, dry, sunny, low humidity. And you got that model, the European, with a soaker for much of the state. Who do you believe? Well, I think the better idea is just a blended approach. We'll mention a chance of showers, possibly a thunderstorm Saturday and Sunday. And then for Monday, we'll mention a chance of rain, mainly for the southern half of the state. We'll adjust that as we get closer, and hopefully we'll have better model clarity tomorrow. Tuesday of next week, back to the GFS, we're dry, but note that disturbed area of weather in the Gulf, and look what happens Wednesday. Boom, it comes right back up. And that's suggesting a chance of rain by Wednesday of next week, a week from today, October 3rd. And then on the 4th, that's Thursday of next week, the deeper moisture moves off to the north and east. We'll check the end of the forecast, October 12th. The westerlies are dropping farther south. The golden days of fall. Look at the cold air flooding the northern states. Man, that's cold. I mean, that'll get them in the teens down there, or up there. And around here, some evidence of showers and storms along the surface front. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes on the blog. Next video here by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. And don't forget to watch us on ABC 3340 News on the live stream or the television side at 4, 5, 6, and 10. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening, and God bless.